in taking this journey or taking this transition from offline to online. Now, what I'll be doing is whatever I've discussed, I'll be trying to quickly share a demo of a product, and I'll just try to come back in a minute. Just a second. I'm just trying to uh, bring up the application. 1 second. Just give me time. Okay, I'll be sharing the screen in a minute. Yes, I'm sharing the screen. Are you able to see my screen now? Is the screen okay? Great. So I see the screen. So here, what we have done is we have used a concept of no code, which is one kind of a technology that helps entrepreneurs to quickly bring up their applications into live digital consoles or digital hybrid applications in less than 5 to 7 days. And there are multiple ways this digital applications can be available for consumption for your customers. Maybe you can integrate this kind of applications directly to your website, or you can integrate these applications directly to your I see someone is doing some mischief here, but I'm not able to figure out who is that. Okay, I'm sorry for that. We are trying to remove people who are doing these kind of things, but unfortunately, I'm not able to find the person who is voluntarily doing this. Or okay, anyhow, so this is an application which is done in view of keeping in view of what exactly you have can be translated into this kind of an application without taking much of an effort. Like for example, we have a lot of user manuals, a lot of documents which are in PDF format and which are in Word format. We can create a gallery just like this, like having PDFs or videos or images or URLs, and we can present this as a library to your customer. So whatever the information which you already have, which is the strength of your company or your product, you can bring that here more as a PDF. So if I go here, we are trying to add some sample PDFs here. So if you look at this, PDF automatically opens, and you can actually ask the customer to go through this PDF and look at it, how they can go through the reading and they can come back. So if you look at this way, there are a lot of such PDFs or the user manuals, all can be added. And this platform also helps people to do personalization. Like there could be a lot of data that is spread across the organization, like sales data might be confidential to delivery data might be confidential to HR data. So we can take care of that personalization as well. So based on the person who has logged into the system, he will only get that kind of data that is available to him. So that is the level of integration we can do. Similarly, if you have any videos that we have done, sales videos, marketing videos and all, we can create a simple YouTube channel and upload all the videos in the YouTube channel, and we can create here in the library. So the moment it is kept here, people can actually use this as a very stable place because the video directly plays from the library. There is no need for anyone like your team or your customers to download, to store or anything. They can just come here, they can click, they can watch the video n number of times and try to give you a better feedback about the video as it happens. Similarly, any marketing collaterals you are sharing, any kinds of creatives you are doing, like offers, discounts, promotions, you can put all of them here. In the same way, you can also connect, let's say there are some news articles where you have been shown where you are, yes, Rajesh, AppSheet is part of Google Cloud now. Yes, that's right. Okay, and you can also have the URLs that can be integrated here, where any snippets or anything that has came in your magazines or anything, online magazines, you can connect it here and it can be available for your customers for reading. So this kind of, here we have connected our YouTube channel as a URL link. In the same way, you can connect your own URLs, all your assets on the web, you can connect it to one form. Similarly, if you are conducting any events, you can create an event gallery here, wherein you can create all the details here and also capture the details from your user. So user can go here and fill in the form and automatically subscribe himself for the event. So this kind of engagement, this kind of activity, let's say if you are into some kind of services, organizing some kind of support or an exhibition, you can create that kind of material here and the customers themselves can connect them to the exhibitions, they can be there. Also, if you have any digital content about your offering, you can come back here and you can post your offering so that people can appreciate looking at the offers, and they can look at in detail all the product brochures, all your company profiles. You can keep it here as part of the offering. This is again, all the things that I am showing you is more of a design that we have done just for the demo, but we can customize to your requirements, like including personalization, including user access, including automation, including controls, including emails, including messages. All those things can be done. And I'm taking you to another view, which is the user view. So let's say if I have a user who has subscribed to an event, like here. So when I log in to my user record, I actually see here the recent details I've accessed. So this can be the details where I can say if I have any new events that I've been working on, I have subscribed, it shows up here. Similarly, when I log in as an admin, I can create all the events here, and I can also create all the content, all the data that is required for my company. So these kind of queries I can handle, this kind of post I can handle. I can add new events. By clicking the new event, it will take me to a form. When I fill the details, it can quickly add the event over there. So like this, there are multiple ways you can present without changing anything much from your side. And by doing this, with whatever you have, you're already digital, and you can gain the presence of this from your customers. So this is a very